So my name is Maxino, owner of the Maximize Training Center. Today I'm gonna work on basic video for you to improve your edging and your basic 180s, Ollie, Nollies, and all that. For now, for this video today, you guys gonna see what is a toe side traverse, a heel side traverse, and what is a Nollie and a Ollie. And then you'll understand that you can mix it up. The Ollie, the toe side Ollie, the toe side Nollie, the heel side Ollie, the heel side Nollie, and the flat base Ollie and Nollie once again. Check it out. First thing you guys need to understand is we can turn on our toes and we can turn on our heels. So right now I'm going to show you a toe side traverse and a heel side traverse. This one's a toe side traverse. Like that is a heel side traverse. So second step would be a Ollie and a Nollie. So right now we're gonna do a toe side traverse with an Ollie and with a Nollie. An Ollie is when you go off your tail, and a Nollie is when you go off your nose. Nollie, and this is Ollie. And then we're gonna go heel side traverse with a Nollie and a Ollie. But first thing first, you need to be able to do a Nollie and a Ollie on the flat surface, flat base on your board. Alright, hope you guys liked it. In the next video, you guys gonna learn different way to do backside 180s. There's actually 8 ways to do backside 180s. So see you in the next video. Thank you.